What if I told you this cinematic shot you're watching right now was not filmed with a camera, not animated in Blender, and not edited in Premiere Pro? It was created using AI, and not just any AI. This was made using Higgsfield, a platform that's changing how creators make videos. Today, I'll show you exactly how Higgsfield works, why it feels more like a film studio than an AI tool, and how you can go from a single frame to a fully produced cinematic video. What is Higgsfield? Higgsfield is an AI video generation platform built specifically for creators. Instead of juggling multiple tools for images, video, motion, audio, consistency, Higgsfield brings everything into one workflow. Inside one platform, you get access to powerful AI models like Nano Banana Pro for ultra-clean images, Kling 2.6 audio for video with native sound, WAN 2.5 for bold, unrestricted scenes, and Cinema Studio, an end-to-end filmmaking pipeline. The idea is simple. Most AI video tools feel experimental. Higgsfield feels intentional. You get real camera motion, stable characters, synced audio, cinematic framing. And the best part? You don't need expensive software or advanced editing skills. It's one of the cheapest AI platforms right now, and also offers options that work as a free AI video generator for creators just starting out. Now let me show you how this actually works. I'm now inside the Higgsfield AI website. Important note, Higgsfield works only on the web. There is no mobile app. From here, you can choose different AI models depending on what you want to create. Let's quickly break them down. Now let's talk about Kling 2.6.
Further.
Audio. This model is powerful because it generates video, motion, voice, and ambient sound all in one pass. No extra sound design, no external voiceovers. You describe the scene, the emotion, the dialogue, and Kling handles it. This is perfect for short cinematic scenes, storytelling clips, narrated moments, and everything comes out in full 1080p quality.
I can't let him catch me! Not today!
Next is WAN 2.5. This model is more culture native and unrestricted. It supports stylized prompts, internet language, bold concepts, celebrities, audio plus motion together. WAN 2.5 is great for reels, viral content, experimental storytelling. You can generate up to 10-second videos in multiple formats for YouTube, Reels, or TikTok. This is where Higgsfield truly stands out. Cinema Studio is an end-to-end filmmaking workflow. Instead of jumping between tools, you go from text, image, video inside one unified system. You get real cinema camera profiles, lens-based visual consistency, proper composition and lighting, film-trained aesthetics. This is not random AI output. It's structured, cinematic, and controlled. It genuinely feels like using a virtual film studio. Here's the final result. This shot has cinematic motion, consistent framing, natural audio, and a film-like mood. And it was created without a camera crew, without expensive software, and without months of learning. That's why Higgsfield matters.
Silence here. It remembers everything. I'm not just walking through history. I'm being watched by it. Every stone has a story.
This is where Higgsfield truly separates itself from every other AI video tool. This feature is called Cinema Studio, and it's an end-to-end filmmaking workflow. Instead of jumping between different tools, here everything happens in one single flow. I start by creating a strong first frame using Nano Banana Pro. This frame defines the mood, the lighting, the character, and the composition. Once that's ready, I move directly into image to video, without exporting anything. Inside Cinema Studio, I can choose real cinema cameras and lenses, which act like style anchors. This keeps the shot visually consistent and intentional. I can control camera movement, framing, motion speed, and lighting mood. The result is not random AI motion. It feels like a planned film shot. This is what frame to film actually means. One image becomes a cinematic sequence with structure, depth, and story. Cinema Studio doesn't just generate video, it directs the shot. Here's are some examples. Before you can make good AI video, you first need a good image. Think of it like this. If you're drawing in Microsoft Paint, you first create a clean picture before turning it into anything else. Nano Banana Pro works the same way. It's the tool I use to create clean, high-quality images that become the base for my video. Just like placing stickers on a blank page in Paint, here I can carefully place characters, backgrounds, lighting, and mood in one single image. Nano Banana Pro is powerful because it creates sharp faces, correct details, readable text, and stable compositions. And it does this in 1K, 2K, and even 4K quality. So before motion, before camera, movement, before audio, this image acts like the final drawing that I'm going to animate. Once I'm happy with this frame, I send it straight into Cinema Studio, where this still image turns into a cinematic moving shot. So you can think of Nano Banana Pro as your digital Microsoft Paint, but cinematic. If you want to try Higgsfield for yourself, check the links in the description. If this video helped you understand AI video creation, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI film you'd like to create. Because with Higgsfield, if you can imagine a scene, you can make it.